Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to log in to your My Service Canada account. First, open your web browser and visit the official Government of Canada website. Make sure you are using the official website before entering any personal information. Once you are on the website, look for the Sign In button and click on it. After opening the Sign In page, scroll down until you find the Service Canada section. In this section, you will see the My Service Canada account option. Click on My Service Canada account to continue. On the next page, you will see different sign-in options. The first option is Sign-in Partner. This option allows you to log in using your existing online banking credentials. You can select a supported bank, such as RBC, TD, BMO, or Scotiabank, and use your online banking information to access your account. The second option is GCKey. If you have already created a GCKey username and password, select this option and enter your login details. If you do not have a GCKey account, you can create one by following the instructions provided on the website. The third option is Provincial Digital ID. If your province supports this service, you can use a compatible provincial login, such as BC Services Card or Alberta.ca, to sign in. Once you complete the sign-in process, you will have access to your My Service Canada account and can use available online services. Thanks for watching.